This is another of those really fast quilts that I just enjoy making. The one here on my left is a kind of diamond setting and is a variation of the really quick charity quilt we made for Alzheimer's Scotland. This time, instead of having just two bits of fabric, because that was just so fast, I've used a jelly roll, well, a 10-strip roll. In terms of colour choice, these really bright ones work well, but what I wanted was so that it made a strong cross in the middle. I don't have enough fabric to have the same fabric top and bottom, but a similar tonal fabric works well. So I've got two black fabrics here, as I have on the display model. Once you've got that together as your center medallion, you can think about the rest of your quilt. Just put some simple borders on. The one behind me has two borders, and I've used the rest of this as piano keys.